And he said, we got hold of your book and we used it extensively to mobilize our people, because this is the first book that we found that describes our society with pride and not with contempt. So that's part of the history of my work. It is the first non-pejorative account after Dabali, Paul de Salviac, and Cerulli. These three men really describe the institution with respect, and so do I, but there are also people who describe it with contempt. Now, to what extent Gada 1973, the book that I found in 1973, has significance for contemporary Oromo? I can tell you an example of this, because in Boran, I met an old nomad, completely illiterate,